Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Start Easy Knowledge. Today's topic is vowels. Vowels mean harufe illat. But before we know the vowels, we have to learn that there are total 26 alphabets. There are total 26 alphabets A to Z. From these alphabets, there are 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. These fives are vowels. So from these 26 alphabets, there are total 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. We also can write these vowels in this hand. This is a kind of activity. You can draw a hand and you have to write these 5 vowels in this hand. A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. In English, there are 5 vowels. We have to match the vowels. A, A. And we also can write one side with capital letters and one side with small letters. Like this. O, U, A, I, E. We have to match this. A with A. I with I. E, U, O. There is one more activity, write vowels in the flowers. There are 5 flowers. We have to write vowels in it. We have to write vowels in these flowers. So first one is A. Second one is E. I. O. U. Next activity is the leaves which have vowel letters. So there are leaves and we have to color the leaf which has vowel alphabet. E, V, T, I, M, O, S, A, B, U, P. Now take one color and color only vowel letters. E. Color this leaf. Consonant I. O. Now you have to ask your child to color these leaves. You can draw any shape over here. A. U. Write vowels that are missing. There is a tree and there are consonants. So there is B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. But the vowel sounds are missing that are not included in this tree. So we have to write. Question is write the missing vowel. So A, E, I, O, U. So from all 26 alphabets, there are total 5 vowels. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and like and share the video.